Hey guys, welcome. In this course, we'll be learning about WordPress. So what is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system. It was built as a blogging tool, but now with the help of WordPress, we can build any kind of CMS website, web application, e-commerce website, classifieds website, any kind of website you can imagine can be built with the help of WordPress. WordPress is primarily based on PHP and MySQL. It is easy to install and also very easy to manage. So why should you learn WordPress? If you see, this is the Google data which I did a search today. WordPress now powers more than 35% of the internet, and as an increase of 2% compared to early 2019 and 4% rise in the previous year. So if you count only the CMS built sites, then about 60% of them are WordPress. Over 400 million people visit WordPress sites each and every month. Since WordPress is a very easy to manage and maintain website, you can easily learn it and you can easily implement it anywhere, anytime as you like it. And it is so simple and easy to use, anybody can learn this.